Did Facebook disable your account unfairly? Here's the appeal method with 70% success rate. Did you violate any policies, even accidentally? Be honest in the comments below. Submit ID through facebook.com/help/contact. You can include a handwritten note with case number. Email appeals@fb.com daily. Polite and professional messages get reviewed fastest. Contact Meta verified support if available in your country. Paid users get priority review. File a BBB complaint. Meta responds to this within 3 business days. Did you got reinstated? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.